Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be talking about the HINKAL Wallet Airdrop. So this just launched some days back, and the link to this page will be in my description and on my Telegram channel. So as you can see, it's an invisible wallet for every transaction. So their main goal is privacy, making it difficult for people to get access to your wallet or to know how much funds you have. So you can see under here, you can see it's still very early access, and so they've already secured $250 million in funding. So if we keep going down, it says do any transaction without revealing your wallet's address. Privacy, store your assets and perform any transaction without revealing personal information on chain. So they are really heavy on privacy. And if you also look at those who are backing them, you can see Draper associations. Draper associations are associates also those backing Naoris. And then we have Binance, we have Orange DAO, PFM Week, and so many more. So this is something that we have to all get involved in, and it's very easy to get involved in. So let's check their X page to know how legit this project is. You can see on the X page says invisible mode for crypto. Really heavy on privacy. So since it's your every transaction, every digital footprint, they are watching, they are waiting. So it just helps to keep our wallets very private. So I'll be showing you how to get involved in this airdrop and also gain early access, just in case they have to turn everything to a token very soon. So let's dive in. So once you click on the link on my bio, this will bring you to this dashboard with this pop-up. It says get early access to invisible wallet. In order for a referral to get incentives, connect your X account. And then so the first thing we're going to do is connect to your X. The second thing will now be to share on your X. It says share your invite link on X to apply for early access. You'll be eligible once 3 of your friends apply with your link. So get 30,000 HINKAL points for joining and a 20% bonus for every eligible friend. Points for early access users retrieved. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing on my X, and then once you register, you send me your link so I can also share to my Telegram page so others too can register. So let's connect our X account. So I've already linked it before. So authorize app. Okay, my X is connected. Then share on X. So I'll be removing this dark energy. So post. So once you share on X, you'll see your referral link there. So also share, register, share, and also refer others. Okay, once you've connected your X and shared on your X page, you can come over to launch HINKAL. You'll be requested to connect your wallet with the provided address. So let's click on connect wallet. So it can be MetaMask. Let's go with MetaMask. So it will bring us to MetaMask. I show the MetaMask, it brought us to MetaMask. So let's connect our wallet in MetaMask. I think we've connected our MetaMask, so let's launch the app. Okay. So we have no control over your on-chain data. Next. So this is it. This is the wallet, the app. We've connected our wallet here. Then this is private address for this is the wallet. So this is the address. So connect an integrity check. You can connect your integrity check by linking to an exchange and then creating a wallet. But I won't be doing that now. I'll do that in a much later video. So please do well to position yourself. Position yourself for this airdrop. Thank you. So I think that's it for this airdrop. So I'll also be helping us get referrals. Once you've registered, share your referral link in the comment section of this video, or join my Telegram channel to share your referral link. Then I also share so that other persons too can join. So this will be on a first come first serve basis. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this video and also share to others. See you next time.